Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS blood test tube tray mold under manufacturing for EPS machine using in the pharmaceutical industry. This mold we exported to Russia. As you can see from this video, we are using the 4 pieces of hollow aluminum processing by CNC machine center to achieve the processing accuracy. This mold has two sizes of blood test tube tray. Size A with tube dimension 13.4 mm, size B with the tube dimension 16 mm. For more information about EPS machine or EPS mold, please leave your comments below or contact with us by email. We will be happy to answer your question. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel so we will know we are doing the right thing. It will encourage us to make more videos like this. See you!